Welcome to Bit Technologies. In this tutorial we are going to see what is component and how to create and delete a component. So in last tutorial we build a header and footer. These two component and we displayed into app.component.html. And when we run our application we got this output. This is header, this is section, this is footer, which we have built in last tutorial. When we create our Angular application we get this app folder. Inside app folder we have only this routing, app component, this HTML file, this CSS file and this app module.ts. All these we get by default. What all are these? This is main routing file, app routing module. This is main routing module of our application. And these four files, as we know, they are component. In Angular a component is having four files: HTML, CSS, this is testing file and this is TypeScript. So this is our main component, app component. It comes by default. And this is our main module. Means when you create an Angular application you have one main component, okay, and one routing file and one module. Means inside module you will have a component and this is your main module. And the configuration is by default. When you run application you will see whatever in this page, in this app.component.html, whatever is this you will see here. As you are seeing this, I haven't do any configuration. This page displays by default. What I have done, I have just put these things. Okay. So first of all I will create a carousel here and some about div and some contact us. So for this carousel, since I am using Bootstrap here, what I will do, everything is configured. Bootstrap I have configured in my application, and all the CSS and JavaScript libraries of Bootstrap is included in application. Okay, so what we have to do, just to go here, type Bootstrap, here docs, yes, inside docs go to here carousel. Okay, here carousel you will click, you will see a different kind of carousels. You can use according to your need and you can change if required. So what I will do, I will copy this one. Okay, this div I will copy. Where I will put here, since section we are showing here. Here what we will do, top will be header, middle will be our section, means our carousel, and bottom will be footer. In every application these are the common things. So I will write here. For this I will create a container, not container, okay, I'm just whatever I copied I paste here. Okay, and save. I saved here, you see it has come here carousel, but I haven't given any image, so it is showing like this. I have to give here image. See here, image src. Once we will give here image, it will show carousel like we are seeing here. We can slide this one. Okay, So where we keep image in our application, where we keep image, for this Angular has given assets folder. This is asset folder. Inside assets folder you have to create this images folder. You can create any names. I have created images, you can create any name. Okay, so only assets and this dot git keep will be there. Rest of the things you have to create, like you can keep here some external JavaScript file, some external CSS file you can keep here. So I have created an images folder and I will keep images here, whatever images I am going to use in my application. So if you want to use third-party CSS, what you will do, you will just create a new folder for CSS. Okay, and you will put here CSS files. If you need any JS external, just you create a folder for JS. Okay, and inside this you write JavaScript files. Since right now we need only images, so I will keep only images. I will delete these two folders. Right click, delete. Okay, I have deleted. Okay, so in images I will copy and paste 3 images in this folder. So I have images, I will go and copy them, these 3 images. Control C, come here and right click. Oh, paste is not here. So what you do, this is our application folder, here is our application. So inside src assets, in assets images, here you paste. Once you paste here, you see all images have come. So now these images you have to bind here, src, here you give source of our images. What I will do, I will bind. How to bind? Just type assets. Angular knows where its assets folder is there. So you start from assets, after that whatever folder you have created, images, after that whatever image name is. So 1.jpg. I will copy this one and paste here. I will key, what is its name, 2.webp, and the third one is 3.jpg. Okay, so 3 images I have given. I will save this. Go to the browser and see here our carousel has come. Its width is more, so you can reduce its width. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here and just I am giving later we will write style style max height I am giving 400 pixel. Okay, oh, where it is coming, subscribe and these things. Maximum height style carousel. Is there any error? No. Yes. Okay. Image width is sorry, height is more, so that's why it is coming here overlapping on the footer. So leave it maximum height to this. Okay, we will see later. Okay, so this is our carousel and this is our footer and this is our header. You can see app header, this is top, after this is section I have written this much code for our carousel. Okay, and below is footer. What I will do, inside this I will write also about us. Okay, ABOUT, about, BEAT, beat. I will write some paragraph. Beat Technologies is online, provides training on latest technologies. Okay, so this is about. We are based in something. Okay, training dash dash dash. Okay, so this is about section. Where it will come? You see, it has come below here, about. And next I will create contact us, contact, contact us. For this I will write p tag LBS Nagar, Bangalore, and this contact @beat software dot in, and below is p mobile number 91. I'm giving just random this. Okay, so this contact section is coming here. Suppose if I will keep writing, this file will be very lengthy, like 1000 line, 5000 line codes. So this will be very lengthy, and what will happen, its maintenance will be very difficult, like you have to go each line and search, and after that you have to do. So here Angular has given a component. What you can do, you can separate your application HTML into different components. Okay, and use its component selector wherever you want. Okay, like if you have to show these 3 places, what you will do, you will copy and paste for 3 times, like this, 1 2 3, then it will come 3 times. But if you use component, you no need to write this code 3 times. You write only once and you can see as many times as you want. Okay, so next is how to build a component. Okay, you just saw I have created these things. Now I will create a component and move this code to component. Okay, so how to create a component? This is our main module. Inside main module, this is app folder. This is inside this app module file, means this is our main module. Okay, inside this we have main component. This component is configured by default, and whatever will be there, it will come here on browser. Okay, so to create a component, just click right click on the folder you want, in which you want to create a component, and open in integrated terminal. Here you type ng generate c home. Okay, I have created a home component. See, our home component has been created. Just read this, what it has done. When we executed this command, it has created 1 2 3 4 files. You see, HTML, this is testing file, this is TypeScript file, this CSS, and at last line you read, it has updated the app.module.ts. What it has updated? It has listed there a new component has been created into this module. So it has written here, it has registered here, newly created component, it has registered here. Where? In module. Okay, means this component is part of this module. See, this module, this is main component. You see, main component is also here. Main component is also part of main module, and these 2 components, header and footer, these are also part of main module. That's why we can use inside this module this component. Okay, so this way we can create. So what I will do, I will delete this component to show you how to delete a component, and after that I will create another one with other name. So how to delete? Just go to that component, right click and click on delete. It will ask yes, delete. See, your component has been deleted, but one thing is left. You see its color has turned red, means the entry Angular has made, you have to remove this one because your component is no longer exist. What you will do, you will just go here and remove entry from declaration also. You have removed. Okay, see here an error has also come, like home component is not found, cannot find module home component. Okay, so once you will remove and save this, see this error has gone because you have removed the component and also in its entry in module, main module. Okay, so this way you can delete a component. So now I will create actual component and move these codes into the component. So first I will create a home page component. Just same way, create ng generate component and its name will be home hyphen page. Home page has been created. I will create two more components, about about page. You see about page will also be created, and last one contact page, contact contact page. So these three components I have created. Since I have created these three components, so Angular has listed into the app.modules. If you open, you see three newly created components has been registered here. Okay, all three: home page, about page, contact page. Okay, then what I will do, this carousel I will move to home page. How? I will copy whole the HTML, cross it, cut it here, and inside home page there is HTML file. I will move here, Control Alt, Control V, and save this one. Okay, next this is about HTML. What I will do, I will cut from here and I will move to about component HTML file here. Okay, saved it. The last one is contact. I will remove from here, Control X, and inside contact HTML, Control Alt, Control V, I will paste here, and I have saved this. As you can see, in section there is nothing, only header, footer. So you will see here only header and this one footer, because in section nothing is there, and this file is by default configured and which we are seeing here. And I moved all the codes into components, like about page HTML I have moved about page component, contact page HTML contact page component here. Okay, and home page component HTML into home page HTML. Okay, this component. Okay, so now what I will do, I will write these components here to show its HTML. How to write? When you open a component, you will see four files: HTML, CSS, this is testing, and this is TypeScript. Inside TypeScript they have given a selector, this selector. What you have to do, you have to copy this selector, and the place you want to show, that place you write it as an HTML tag, like HTML, like we write here P, we write P here, open and close. Same way we write selector. Okay, so what it will do, when it will compile application, it will see you are using this selector. Okay, so this is a component. it will search this component and it will find yes, this component exists. So what it will do, its components all HTML code will come here. Okay, we used this component selector inside here HTML file. Okay, here, so it will bring all of the HTML code inside this component and it will show here. See, nothing is there. Once I will save this, you see this has come, carousel. Okay, but these two about and contact are not coming. For this we need to write its selector here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go here, find out its selector. Yeah, I find this and I will copy and paste here. How? Like HTML tag. Okay, once I will save, you see your application compiled successfully. You will see bottom contact us has come. Where it is coming? It is coming now from components. We have moved all code into component. Next one is about. I have to show here about also. So what I will do, I will go to about component, get its selector, and after that I will copy this one and I will paste here. The about page has come. If I will say you to change this something, you have to change this one, change its color. What you will do, you will find out, oh, it is coming from about page component, so where it, this HTML should be in about page HTML file, this component. Okay, so you will go to about page component. Inside this HTML you will find this. Okay, this line is coming from here. What you will do, you will write here style equal to color red. Okay, you see its color has changed. Okay, and the benefit of using component, it is reusable. You can reuse it. Like if you want to about page write 3 times, just copy paste 3 times, all of the HTML will come 3 times. You see it has came 3 times. If you want to show it top of the carousel, you just paste here top of. So first about page HTML will come here, after that home page, after that contact page, after that these 2 about pages. Just save this. See here, on top of the about has come, after that your home page, after that contact, after that about. So this is reusable, and this way we can use our component, and the benefit is it is maintainable, easy maintenance. Okay, so in this tutorial we saw what is component and what all the component, what all the files have, and how to create a component and how to delete. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.